Get ready to be blown away. The OnePlus 15 has just been teased, and it's packing some serious heat with a brand new image engine and the powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. But here's where it gets controversial. Is OnePlus's decision to part ways with Hasselblad a bold step forward or a risky gamble? Let's dive in. With Qualcomm's latest processor now officially unveiled, Android manufacturers are wasting no time hinting at their upcoming devices. We've known the OnePlus 15 was on the horizon, but today's early reveal gives us a tantalizing glimpse into what this flagship might offer. OnePlus is playing its cards close to its chest. No official renders or detailed specs just yet. Instead, the company is drip-feeding us information, starting with the confirmation that the OnePlus 15 will indeed feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. While this isn't exactly a shocker, OnePlus has consistently relied on top-tier processors for its mainline devices. It's reassuring to know they're sticking to what works, even as other aspects of the phone evolve. And this is the part most people miss. The end of the OnePlus Hasselblad partnership means the OnePlus 15 will debut a self-developed DetailMax image engine. OnePlus claims it uses advanced algorithms and powerful processors to enhance photo quality. Will it live up to the hype? Only time will tell. Here's the kicker. Without Hasselblad's expertise, will OnePlus's camera game remain competitive, or will it fall short? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Gaming enthusiasts, take note. OnePlus promises an unrivaled gaming experience with dedicated software. But is this just a fancier version of the gaming mode already in OxygenOS, or something truly groundbreaking? Details are scarce, so we'll have to wait and see. Battery life, RAM, storage and display specs? Those remain a mystery for now, though OnePlus assures us more details are coming in the next few weeks. Interestingly, this reveal is ahead of schedule compared to last year's OnePlus 13 cycle. So don't be surprised if the OnePlus 15 hits shelves sooner than expected. And here's a thought-provoking question. With so many changes on the horizon, is OnePlus reinventing itself for the better, or are they spreading themselves too thin? Share your take below. For more OnePlus updates, check out the OnePlus 15's major redesign teased earlier this month. OnePlus poking fun at Apple while hinting at a higher refresh rate. A deep dive into whether the Pixel 10 Pro XL or OnePlus 13 is the smarter buy. FTC, we use income-earning auto-affiliate links. More